20H, then 60C, and gear 1. So I try first the 0.1. Good weld. It is 0.2, 0.2. This is gear 1. Oh, it weld. Wow, it's good. 0.2, it weld properly. Need to use my side cutter to take this off. Look at that. It leaves this nickel strip to this plate. There is almost 0.3. Almost. So let's try this. 0.3. It will at gear 1. Gear 2. It will at gear 2 only. Well, so this spot welding is accurate according to the description. Can weld 0.3. I need my side cutter to take this off. Nickel strip leads to the plate. It's too strong. So this spot welding, guys, I highly recommend.